If you're launching a new community, you're probably asking a lot of questions. Will people come? Will they talk? What will they talk about? Is this going to work? And if you've been running an existing community, you may be wondering, how can we get more return from our community? How can we offer more value to our members? Can we do both at the same time? Asking the right questions is a very good start. If you're developing a new community or examining how an existing one is working, you need to understand why members join, what they will do after joining, and how you are going to keep them interested. The joint Sequentia Lithium solution answers all these questions and more. Lithium is the leader in social CRM, and its expertise in social dynamics enables you, as it has enabled hundreds of the world's largest companies, to build a dynamic and engaging community on its platform. While Sequentia Environics' 25-step patent-pending sequence methodology ensures your community activities meet both member and business goals. For new Lithium communities, Sequentia's seed community process ensures that a core group of influential members are engaged in helping you design and build the community from the outset. This critical group creates early content, engagement, feedback, advice, and instant credibility. Let's examine the sequence methodology more closely by looking at one success story, Hewlett-Packard's Software and Solutions Community. Lithium and Sequentia developed the HP community from the outset. Based on Sequentia's philosophy that an engaged community before launch leads to a thriving community post-launch, they took the following key steps. Initially, Sequentia carried out the ramp-up sequence to review existing data and program goals. Then they identified and recruited key users to form an active seed community. Among other benefits, the seed community produced super users, kept the content circulating, and ultimately brought the HP community to life. Additionally, they conducted a digital habits survey to attain a clear understanding of member needs. And they administered a content landscape scan to get an overview of the conversational and content landscape. The approach resulted in a very successful HP community. Before launch, the initial seed community attracted the necessary critical mass of members and generated a substantial amount of page views. In the first 2 weeks after launch, membership increased more than 5 times and page views almost tripled. For mature Lithium communities, the approach to generating ongoing business and member value can change as the community evolves. Sequentia's advisory community and strategic content methodologies ensure that your community content is delivering what your members want most, and that your most engaged members stay that way. A case in point is Autodesk. 6 months after the launch of their manufacturing community, Autodesk had reached only a third of their target membership. Autodesk needed help, so they engaged Sequentia's services. In order to boost the number of members, Sequentia analyzed and then optimized the community structure, communications, content, and engagement. More specifically, they assigned weight to user actions. This critical step boosted the reputation of customer advocates, who contribute between 40% and 60% of the community content. They seeded specially selected content across appropriate channels. They examined patterns of community member contributions to improve content development and ensure that members, especially advocates, remain excited and engaged. Then they evaluated the results of their upgrades. In particular, they measured activity data to determine community health, marketing performance, lead generation quality, future trends, and social media ROI. Finally, based on their review, optimizations were implemented to ensure the best possible performance. As a result, Autodesk community membership immediately started to climb and reached the target number of members way ahead of schedule. New members continue to join at a steady rate. Engagement increased dramatically and remains at a high level. Autodesk could predict community growth due to the deployment of a conversion channel, which showed the rate of conversion from subscribers to members. Furthermore, growth in engaged membership has directly correlated with reduced support costs, enhanced innovation, and increased sales. Lithium and Sequentia Environics make communities successful by delivering value to both members and owners. This includes providing a world-class community platform, producing higher quality community content, facilitating greater customer satisfaction and engagement, ensuring improved lead generation, enhancing innovation, increasing word-of-mouth recommendations, reducing up to 40% of support costs, and augmenting sales dramatically. Whether B2B, B2C, government, or nonprofit, Lithium and Sequentia can help your community prosper and thrive.